Hi, I'm Linda Martin. If you've been concerned about your pool service, and I've had a pool since I was in high school, I've had all different kinds, and I really didn't know that one was very different than the other until I found Payan Pool Service. And I got to tell you, the difference has been outstanding. I've had them for about a year, and Payan Pool Service, this is a family owned and operated business, and Javier Payan is at the helm. He's been doing this since I graduated from high school, which sort of dates me, but 1987. And it is amazing. From one day to the next, when they came in here, it had been yellow and there were concerns, and we were still paying all this money a month, and it just wasn't looking that good. All of a sudden, Payan comes in, and the difference is overnight, and it's crystal clear blue. It has been that way ever since. They are top-notch, best in class. They do really well. It means that they're the best in the industry. They go above and beyond what you want. And again, they're very proactive. I have an upgraded pool system, which is really nice. You can control it from your phone. I've had problems here and there in the beginning, and Javier himself would call me right back. And so I would get it taken care of, and all of a sudden it was working beautifully again. So their attention to detail and the way they all get along with each other, everything is all inclusive, and it really is so much better than anything I've had. If you've been having issues with your pool service and you really want to check something out that is way better, call Payan Pool Service, and you can find them at ApprovedHomePros.com.